Let's build some balanced overnight oats. This is easy fuel that's ready in the morning when you are. This is also a lighter meal, so that can be helpful in the morning if you have a low appetite, but you know that you want to get something in. Here's a basic layering formula that I like. First, we have the oats, then we're adding some chia seeds or flax seeds, then some protein, whether that's coming from protein powder or Greek yogurt. Then you're gonna add some milk or water, and then fruit and nuts on top. Now you can use rolled oats if you're doing this the night before. By the morning time, they'll have a great texture. They hold up really well. But quick oats will be your best bet if you're making this in the morning and taking it to work with you and eating it there. They soften pretty fast even without the overnight soak. Now I did mention how I like to add the fruit on top, but with bananas, it's a little bit different. For this version, we're mashing half a banana in a jar, and then we're adding about a 1/4 cup oats, about a 1/3 cup vanilla Greek yogurt. There are so many options, ones with less protein, ones with more protein. And then I'm gonna add about a 1/4 cup of almond milk. Just give it a stir, pop it in the fridge overnight, and you're ready to go. In the morning, we're gonna top it off with a handful of blueberries and chopped walnuts. You've got your carbs from the bananas and the oats. There's also fiber in there, which is really helpful for energy, for digestion, and also for heart health. We have the protein coming from the Greek yogurt, or if you wanna use a protein powder. And then we have the healthy fats in there from the walnuts. All of these together are going to help us to stay full longer. It's gonna give us some energy and some lasting energy at that. Try switching it up with these combos. You can do peanut butter with sliced strawberries and chia seed, cinnamon with apple and almond butter, mango with coconut flakes and flax seeds. Make a few of these ahead of time, or if you want to make one the morning of, you've got yourself a grab and go breakfast option. Just grab that spoon and head out.